everyone, I'm Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about food. Do you like to eat? I know I do. Food. In Chinese we say it 食物 食物 The food is so fresh. 食物很新鲜食物很新鲜 Do you like chocolate? Chocolate? Of course I do! Chocolate, chocolate! Oh, nom, nom, nom. Oh, nom, 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 nom. In Chinese we say 巧克力巧克力 Do you like chocolate? 你喜欢吃巧克力吗？你喜欢吃巧克力吗？我有一个问题吗？不对。Okay. Honey. 蜂蜜。蜂蜜。Honey helps the cough. 蜂蜜能治咳嗽。蜂蜜能治咳嗽。Sandwich. 三明治。三明治。I want to eat sandwiches. 我想吃三明治。我想吃三明治。Chicken. 鸡肉。鸡肉。He had a plate of chicken for lunch. 午饭他吃了一盘鸡肉。午饭他吃了一盘鸡肉。Hamburger. 汉堡包。汉堡包。I don't like hamburgers. 我不喜欢吃汉堡包。我不喜欢吃汉堡包。Butter. 黄油。黄油。The butter began to melt. 黄油开始融化了。黄油开始融化了。Tofu. 豆腐。豆腐。Tofu is made from soybeans. 豆腐是用大豆做的。豆腐是用大豆做的。Dumpling. 饺子。饺子。Chinese like to eat dumplings. 中国人喜欢吃饺子。中国人喜欢吃饺子。Sausage. 香肠。香肠。You see, the sausage is bent. 你看香肠是弯的。你看香肠是弯的。Yummy. Yum. I'm full. Are you full? That's all for today. Hope you like it. Bye bye.